Hello, hello. Fortnite is downloading slowly. Okay, so let's look at this error. Okay, because it's due to a setting. Okay, that you have wrong. Okay, so let's go to the library, and here we are going to the Fortnite section. Fortnite. So let's go there. Okay, here we are going to the three dots, and what we need to do is go to manage. Here we will need to have this option enabled for auto updates. Okay, because one of the things that also happens is that many updates accumulate, and that makes everything much more attentive. So with this, it will download when you're not playing, like at night, and we would also have to verify the files. Let's verify, and here it will start verifying the Fortnite files. Goodbye.